Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to our English classroom. Students, I hope you all are well at home. Well, students, in this class, we are going to start a new chapter 4, article of grammar. So, let's get started. Students, I hope you all are well aware with the word articles. What are the articles? Students, you all know that articles are a, an, and the. Now, articles can be categorized as definite articles and indefinite articles. Now, definite articles. The is called the definite articles, and whereas a and an are both indefinite articles. Okay, students. Now, the article is used when we speak of something in particular. Okay, student, when you are specifying anything, you will use article the, whereas article a and an both do not point out any particular thing or a person. Okay, they do not specify anything or a person, whereas the article the specify the thing or anything or any person. Now, let's understand it and clear our concept with some example. Now, I would like to give you example. If you want something, like you can see that in this image, you can see many pens are there. Okay, now if you want to choose any pen out of these, you will say, I want a pen. You have not specified which pen do you want, but what if you want to specify any pen? You will say, I want the first pen. Right, student? You have specified which pen do you want, the first pen, right? So I think it's clear to you. Now let's learn about the article an. Now, what is article an and when to use article an? Article an is used before a noun that starts with a vowel sound. Remember the vowel sound. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So you have to remember, when there is a noun which is starting with a vowel sound, you have to insert N. Right, students? Now here are some examples. Read these. An apple, a, sound of a. Now an advocate, sound of a, advocate. An umbrella, a, sound of vowel. So we have used an article. Now let's read and learn about article a. When to use article a? Now, the article a is used before a noun that start with a consonant sound. Now, what are the consonant sound? It is very easy, students. Consonant sound are all the sounds which are not the vowel sound. Isn't it very simple, students? Yes, it is. Now, let's read example. A car, a machine, a student. You can see that all these nouns are starting with the sound of consonant, and that's why we have inserted a article. Right? Now look at these examples. A university, a European. You can see that both of these are starting with a vowel, but we have inserted a. You can tell me why? Yes, students, because these nouns are starting with a vowel but not the vowel sound. Okay, and now what are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So if you have to write vowel, if there is a vowel sound, you will insert N. Okay, now read these example. An honorable job, an MBA student. Here there is a vowel sound, O and A. Okay, that's why we have inserted N here. Now students, I hope the concept of a and an is clear to you. Now I am going to ask you 3 questions. You have to answer me in the comment section below. Okay, students, with your name and class. So here are the questions. Thank you so much, students, and if you find any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Bye bye.